How to hide posts from someone on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. Now, first of all, you need to know that as of right now, Instagram does not have a specific option or feature that allows you to hide a certain post from for certain people or persons. However, it does have some features and options that kind of get the job done depending on your circumstances. So let's go through them one by one. Go ahead and open up Instagram and navigate to your profile page right here. Now, the first one uh, and the first feature that you can use is you can hide your posts from the non-followers people, and you can do that by changing your profile visibility to private. So let's go ahead and click on the three lines at the top right, then click on settings and privacy, and here scroll down to the section that says who can see your content and click on account privacy and switch your account to private account. This is the first step. This will hide your uh, posts from the non-followers. Now, the second one, say for example, you don't want to do this. You want to keep your account public, but you want to hide your posts from certain people. Now, what you can do is, say for example, I want to hide my post from this person right here, for example. So what you can do right here is you can simply click on the three dots at the top right corner and just block this person. When you block it, they will not be able to see your posts. And unfortunately, these are the only two options that you can use as of right now. Now, maybe Instagram can come up with some features and options that allows you to do this in the future, but as of right now, this is like the only way to do so. So you might as well just use them. That was it for this video. That's how you can hide your posts from someone on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.